Hello friend, I am Dr. V.N. Singh, Department of Physics, DAV PG College Siwan. Today we are talk about field moving charge in PG SEM 2. We attentions on charge which appears at stationary and motion. Firstly, we think about charge so it can exist from electromagnetic field. Again, a static charge, this means that it does not change with time, but it can change in function of time. Now, statics signify as force, field and potential. Field mentions force without contact. Field concept is very helpful to handle distributed and continuous of mass and charge and their interaction in material body. Again, now we are talk about law of electrodynamics concerning Maxwell equation. Maxwell equation of electromagnetic field. Electrostatic field are produced as stationary charge. However, the moving charge produces electromagnetic field. Since laws concerning stationary and moving charge are formulated in the forms of Maxwell's electromagnetic field equations. Therefore, the field produced by uniformly moving or accelerated charge have been discussed with help of electromagnetic wave theory. The discuss show that the theory is not adequate and fails to explain a number of phenomena like productions of X-ray and radiations from circular orbits. Maxwell's electromagnetic fields equation del dot D equal to rho, del dot B equal to 0, del cross H equal to J plus delta del D by del T, del cross E equal to minus del B by del T. In above equations reveals that whether the field is static or dynamics, its ultimate source is a charge either in the form of volume density or charge delta, current density J, or electric displacement current delta D by dt. In relations, E and H represents electric and magnetic field intensity and dB represents corresponding electric displacement and magnetic inductions. Now, we calculating the electric and magnetic fields produced by moving charge. If the velocity of electromagnetic fields transmissions in free space Bc and the velocity of sources charge be V, then the ratio of V by C plays an important role in determining the characteristics of radiation emanated by charge. If V double less than C, the fields of practically of static types, while in case of V equivalent to C, field becomes transverse type having E and H mutually at right angle and also normal to the direction of propagations. Retarded potential. Maxwell's field equations expressed in terms of electromagnetic potential phi and A by using Lorentz conditions in order to decouple of phi and A begets del square A mu epsilon del square A by del T square equal to mu J del square phi minus mu epsilon del square phi by del T square minus rho by epsilon. The solution of these equations 1 and 2 for free space. Now the value of potentials and phi and A respectively. Phi as function of r and t 1 by 4 pi epsilon integral rho r dash t dash by rho r dv dash a r t mu naught by 4 pi integral j r dash t dash by r dv dash where R, T and R dash and T dash are the field and sources point coordinations. Rho and J are volume and current density of charges respectively. dV dash is the volume element in the sources of the region. T dash equal to T minus R by C, which shows the retardations and symmetrically ex- expressed by enclosing the suitable terms within a square bracket. Since होता है moving charge systems, the causes at the sources point always proceeds and effects at the field point follows. The procedure used to relate the cause and effect is known as retardations. From equation 3 and होता है 4, phi equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon integral rho by r dv a equal to mu naught by 4 pi j by r dv dash, where phi and a are known as retarded potential since their value are evaluated and related with source value. Rho and j exist existing r by c time earlier. These relations show that the origin of a spherical wave starting from the source and spreading with velocity c. For a charge of a small dimension having uniform charge distribution, we have integral rho v dash equal to c, integral j v dash dv dash equal to e u